Hello, today I'm going to show you how to purchase your Intergalactic gaming gold using Fiat currency. First of all, we need a wallet on which your gaming gold can be stored. So we go to the tronscan.org and go to open a wallet. Create a new wallet, click here, and it says new wallet, enter a password. You enter a password like this. As long as it says it's a strong password, you can go press next. If it says it's weak or okay, you will need to improve it for now. Press next. It says save your key store file and download your encrypted key. Download it and please rename it so you wouldn't lose it. Next. Save your private key. This is the key you will need to unlock your wallet at a later date. So, save it, but since this is a tutorial, I won't be saving it. Next. Your new wallet is ready. Go to the account page. And now, it says your address. This is where you will send your Tron later. And this is where you will have your IGG later as well. So, now that we made our wallet, we're going to changelly.com, as you can see here. And we're going to purchase Tronics for Fiat currency. So now we have here USDs, dollars, and here we will get 3,722 TRX. Okay, that's alright. In case you want to change the currency, or in case here it's not listed TRX, you just need to click here, type in TRX, and underneath it will show, and click on it, and that's it. If your currency is not USD but something else, you can also change it here and pick pretty much anything you want from this huge list, and that's it. So, but today we're going to go with USDs, so that's it. Click the exchange and let's move forward. Okay, check the amounts and look at the transfer details. Okay, here again it says you have 100 USDs, you get 3,700 TRX, and you press here, I read and agree to change the terms of use and privacy policies. Click next. Send to. So it asks for your TRX address. Make sure you go back to your TronScan, copy this address, press here. It says copy the clipboard, and return here and just paste it. Simple as that. Next. Confirmations. Check all the details before the processing. You have 100 USD again, 3,700 TRX, and here you have a wallet. So in order to check that you didn't make a spelling error on your wallet address, just press Ctrl, Control F, and you will get a search bar. And then you just paste your address again here, and if it's correct, it's gonna glow right here. As you can see, mine is correct and everything is fine. Confirm and make a payment. Let's go. So, make a payment with your bank card. That's probably the only way that they support here. So, let's go with pay with Visa or MasterCard. And here it says enter your phone number. Next. And it says now enter your card details, so you will be able to make a purchase. Right now I'm not gonna enter those, but when you enter them, just press pay and that's it. When you did that, a few minutes later, here in the balances, your Tron will show up somewhere here. When they do, you go here to this search bar and type in IGG. Press enter, and it's gonna say loading token IGG. Up here are the details about the token and everything else, and down here it says participate. In this bar right here, you input the number of IGG tokens you want to buy. So since the price of one IGG token is 0.02 TRX, for 10 TRX we can buy 200 IGG tokens. 200. And then you just press participate. Since this is a new wallet I just made, we don't have enough TRX, so we cannot complete the purchase. But if you already got your TRX from Changeling, you will be able to do it. So now let's consider we bought it. So press here on the wallet up here and press here on your address. It's gonna load like this. And if you made that purchase, if you had Tronics and everything worked, when you press here, token balances, your purchased amount of TRX will show up. That would be that, guys, and thank you for watching.